Hi there everybody, my name is Janis Sperga. I'm an SiW20 for an ENLIGHTEM project working at the pureLiFi as a researcher. And today I'm going to introduce you to the topic of LiFi. With LiFi, short for high fidelity, we are bringing the internet to your smartphones and laptops using a light. So it can come from a visible light source like an LED light bulb, or it can be also coming from an invisible light, which is an infrared one, which you usually know from TV remote controls or digital cameras. But the point here is we are not only bringing the internet to the light, but we are also making it fast, stable and secure, so that you can download your favorite movie in a matter of few seconds, or you can also play your online video game uninterrupted and securely. Here we have a LiFi link, which consists of two devices, an access point and a mobile device, both of which have a receiver and a transmitter built into it. And how does it work is that we have an access point which, by use of its transmitter, sends an information to the mobile device, which picks it up with its receiver, in which you have a small device called a phototype. Let's see the LiFi in action. Here we have a working LiFi link developed by a company, which consists of an access point and a light antenna built in the laptop. Both of these devices can send and receive the data using their transmitters and receivers built into them, respectively. Now, when we start our measurement software, let's start it, the access point transmitter sends the data to the light antenna receiver, which picks up the light signal and transforms it into an electrical one, using a small device called a photodiode. While alignment between the access point and the light antenna is important, however, partial coverage, for example with half of my finger on the top of light antenna, will only reduce the data rate partially. And there are other ways, of course, to sustain the connectivity by the use of complementary light antennas. While, for example, you would have one light antenna that's fully covered, but the other one is uncovered and would really sustain the link. The LiFi is a young technology that's rapidly developing, with its link components becoming faster and smaller. Here at the pureLiFi we have the smallest integratable light antennas that can be designed into commercial devices. But we can furthermore improve the stability of the link by introducing more access points and light antennas. Nevertheless, we have to be smart about it by carefully designing and developing smart algorithms and link components for best optimized performance. My work here as a researcher is to develop these LiFi components to be faster, smaller, and more